This is video number 1 of so many videos. Channel update, take number 1. But first, we forgot something. Much better, let's do this. Here's what's up. I've got all kinds of videos coming out. Super excited to share videos with you on new features that I'm gonna use to totally blow up my views. Features that you can use too. Videos about fair use, studio beta, YouTube editing tips, and so much more. And that's why I wanted to update you today. Here's what's up. I'm gonna be publishing a lot of videos on Final Cut Pro. And you might not use Final Cut Pro, but as mentioned, there'll be so many videos on a lot of things that you're not gonna wanna miss. Remember the video I published on how I'm gonna gain 50,000 subscribers in 1 year? If I do that, then next year in the fall, I'll be creeping on 100,000 subscribers, and that's my goal. In order to make that happen, I'm leveraging the very strategy that I shared with you. Now, if you wanna crush YouTube, if you wanna get all kinds of subscribers, watch that video playlist. It's in the YouTube card right now. I'll also link to it in the description below, comment thingy. It's time to go after those easy views here on YouTube. Wondering what those are? Again, check out the video in the YouTube comments. I'll see you next time. You dig?